Welcome to Paperscorer for Google Classroom. To create answer sheets without a Google quiz, click Create Answer Sheets Without Quiz. Then enter the name of your quiz. Next, choose the number of questions you want in your quiz. Turn Student Entry on or off. If off, a unique answer sheet will be generated for each student. If on, a single answer sheet will be generated on which students can enter their IDs. Select the correct answers for each of your questions. You can increase the point value for any question if necessary. If you have a Google Classroom account, your classes will display. Choose the class for which you want to print answer sheets. If you don't have Google Classroom, you'll simply be asked to enter the email addresses of the students for whom you want to print answer sheets. Your answer sheets will be generated. Click Print Answer Sheets. To create answer sheets for a quiz you've built using Google Forms, click Create Answer Sheets for this quiz. If you have Google Classroom, your classes will display. Choose the class for which you want to print answer sheets. If you don't have Google Classroom, you'll simply be asked to enter the email addresses of the students for whom you want to print answer sheets. You can choose to generate answer sheets for your entire class or select students. Your answer sheet will have an answer area for each of the questions in your Google quiz. Codes at the bottom of each sheet will ensure that student responses are attributed to the correct course and student. Once your students have taken the quiz, the next step is to scan them. After downloading the free Paperscorer app, click the camera icon. Focus your device over the answer sheet. The app will automatically scan your answer sheets. You can also scan answer sheets using an office or home scanner. If you've used an office or home scanner to scan your answer sheets, you'll need to upload the PDF file to Paperscorer. Click Upload Answer Sheets for scoring. On the page that opens, click Add Sheets and navigate to the place where you've saved the scanned file on your computer. Paperscorer will upload and score all of the answer sheets in your PDF file. Paperscorer may find exceptions with some answer sheets during this process. In this case, you can use the Resolve Exceptions tool to enter answers on behalf of students online. Once answer sheets have been scanned, you can import them to your Google Responses. If there are scores ready to import to your Google Responses, a number will show beside Import Scores in the navigation. Click Import Scanned Answer Sheets. You will see a number increment next to the Google Responses tab as scores are imported. The button will then change to View Scores from Responses. Click this to view student scores. The summary report will show item analysis for all students. The individual report will show the answers for each student on every question. You can also export detailed results to a Google Sheet. This is helpful when you need to import the results to another gradebook or do further analysis.